Guest Wi-Fi is a critical sensor network for physical spaces. It captures footfall, dwell time, and movement data that translates directly into layout optimization, dynamic staffing, and personalized loyalty engagement. First, define your use cases before deployment. Identify the 3 to 5 specific decisions the data will inform and who owns each one. Second, deploy access points in staggered triangular patterns with overlapping coverage zones for reliable trilateration. Third, require authentication through captive portals or passpoint to resolve anonymous devices to verified profiles for personalization. Fourth, design consent as a value exchange, ensuring users perceive clear benefit under GDPR compliance. Fifth, measure ROI across operational efficiency, revenue uplift from offer redemption, and authenticated repeat visit rates. Read the full guide at purple.ai.